In today's video, I will teach you how to fix harsh lighting on a face using AI. Let's get started. Good lighting can make or break a photo, especially when it comes to faces. But sometimes strong sunlight, a camera flash, or uneven indoor lighting creates harsh shadows and bright highlights that make the image look unflattering. Traditionally, fixing this requires advanced editing skills and tools like Photoshop. Now, thanks to AI-powered editing in ChatGPT, you can smooth out lighting on face with just a few clicks and prompts. To start, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Then sign in or create a free account. In the chat box, click the plus icon and select Create Image to activate image editing mode. Now click the plus icon again and select Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl U on Windows or Command U on Mac. Then choose the photo that you want to edit from your computer. Now this is where you tell the AI exactly what you want fixed. The clearer your instructions, the better the results. And once you're ready, press Enter and let the AI process your request. And within seconds, the AI will create a new version of your photo with smoother lighting on the face. If the first version isn't perfect, you can make adjustments. To do this, click on the generated image and type in new instructions, then enter again. Now, hover over your final image, then click Download to save it to your computer. You can also click Share to send it directly to your social media or colleagues. And here are some tips for beginners. With this method, you don't need advanced editing software skills to fix harsh lighting. In just a few steps, AI helps you rescue poorly lit photos and make faces look more natural, professional, and flattering. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.